How do I prevent the cake from sticking to the stainless steel bowl during baking?
Hey there, baking enthusiasts. Ever faced the pesky issue of your delicious cake sticking to a stainless steel bowl? Today, we're diving into the secrets of preventing this from happening. Let's get that cake sliding out smoothly.
Why does cake stick to stainless steel?
Stainless steel, while fantastic for many cooking uses, does not have the non-stick properties that some specialized bakeware might have. Its smooth surface can cause baked goods to stick. Understanding the reason behind the sticking is the first step to solving the problem.
How do I prep my stainless steel bowl for baking?
The key is all in the preparation. Here's how. 1. Thoroughly clean. Ensure the bowl is clean. Any leftover residue can cause sticking. 2. Grease generously. Use unsalted butter, shortening, or non-stick cooking spray. Make sure to cover the entire interior surface of the bowl. 3. Flour it up. After greasing, add a small amount of flour to the bowl. Tilt and tap the bowl so the flour coats every part of it. This creates an extra layer between the cake batter and the bowl. Shake out any excess flour.
Are there any alternatives to traditional greasing?
Absolutely. Here are some. 1. Parchment paper. Cut a piece to fit the bottom of your bowl. This ensures that at least the bottom of your cake won't stick. 2. Cake release mix. This is a mix of equal parts flour, vegetable oil, and shortening. Blend them together and apply it just like you would with butter or cooking spray. 3. Baking mats. Though more common for trays, some flexible silicone baking mats can be fitted into bowls. These are inherently non-stick and can be a game changer. No one wants their delightful cake creation sticking to the bowl. With the right preparation and a few handy tricks up your sleeve, you can ensure a flawless cake presentation every time. Happy baking, and here's to many stick-free cakes in your future.